Welcome back. Still your smart tutorial founder Samuel Dino, where we give out the basics that you need to know in some topic. Today we continue with our bearing and distance. In this video, we are, like I promised you, I'm going to make some short videos on some basic things that you need to know, which are the one of it is the 4 cardinal points, which I'm going to explain how to draw, how to get the direction when you are confused, and how to name it, and how to move on the on the 4 cardinal points. So knots, I use the analogy of nodding in football. I'm a football fan. I play football also. So you use your head to nod, right? Nodding, you nod. So your head is in position of nod. So it's very easy to say that this particular direction, which corresponds to where you are facing, is your direction of what? North. So when you are labeling it, just put N. Remember, when you get the north, you can easily get the south. Your position in your leg will be the south. The first one is get your north first with the use of the direction of your head. That is for north. Now, west and east. From the sound air. Air is in west and also in left. So left and right. So sound air, if it's in west, then when I'm confused, maybe due to one or two things, examination tension, or maybe phobia of any sort, I can easily relate my west to my left with the use of what? Air. Like the way I use this method also to differentiate between the blood vessel that carries oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. Vein carries deoxygenated blood because of the E. While arteries carry oxygenated blood. Now, let's come back. Sorry for deviating. But all these things at times saves us, from and help us to get some little marks. Okay, it adds up to something anyway. So sound air from west, you can use it to get what? Left. Air. So this is the left hand side. So we put west there. Definitely the right hand side would be what? The right hand side here now becomes our east. Why I relate my north, the north, to nodding. So when I get my north, I can easily get my south. When I get my west, I can easily get my east. So that is just how to easily. These ones are personal things that I use, so you can also use it. In any case, if you have any other one that you use in getting your north, south, west, and east, just put it in the comment section so that we can also learn from you. Okay, so the other thing I want you to take note under the 4 cardinal points here is that the distance and the angle between north and east is 90 degrees, and here is also 90 degrees. That means everything will form a cycle. Always start from the north, don't forget. Everything forms what? Everything forms 360 degrees. So this is 90. Now, from what we have here, you have to move by what? Movement. Movement is always what? Clockwise. But that does not mean you should not know how to do the anti-clockwise. But the most important thing that we need is what? The clockwise movements. How to move. You have to move your compounds, the bearing, in a clockwise direction, and also it must always start from the north. especially when there is no any of this direction that is given. For example, maybe 90, or you were given just 75. 75. So ordinary 75, it must always be in 3 figures. This one now, 75. This is the north. So this is 0. 75 will be around this direction. So we just say what? 75. This is 75. The remaining part here will be 15. Yes, it will be 15. So this is what? Bearing 75. Don't forget about the direction. It's very important, please. The arrow to show the direction. This is 75. Are we together? Now, we are not going into solving question yet, but I just want to use it as an example. Now, also, one thing I want you to take note also here is when you are drawing your 4 cardinal points, note that here is, you name all this other side with respect to north and south. For example, this is north east. This one is south east. This one is south west. This one is north west. We have some exceptional cases where you have to move anti-clockwise and where you have to name with respect in the anti-clockwise direction. Let's take, for example, this our 75 knots that we have written here. The 75, okay, let me use another number anyway. Let's use 98, 098 degree to explain this. 098 degree will be in this form. This is north, south, west, east. This is 90 here. If 90 is here, 98 will be around, that is 90, 98 will be around here. So you draw a line to indicate where the movement stops. So you draw a line. This is what? Everything is what? 98. Everything is 98. But if everything is 98, that means from here to here is 90. From north to east is 90. The remaining from east to this point is just what? 8. That is, everything is 98. But from here to here is 90. From here to here is what? 8 degree. Don't forget, degree, not just ordinary 8. So this is the diagram for this. But the bearing 98 now, the bearing is still the same thing as what? This side is southeast. If this is 8, the remaining part here, this is east. From east to south is 90, right? If east to south is 90, then the remaining part here will be what? 82 degree. 82 degree. Now, do you know we can now say that E8 south, E8 is moving towards which direction? It's moving towards direction south. That is, this 098 is still the same thing as E008 degree south. Yep. Because ordinarily, if you want to draw this 8 degree east, 8 degree south, it will give you this direction. It will still give you the same thing as 98. Now, this is 82. 82, if you want to draw from south to east, which is anti-clockwise. This one is clockwise, this one is clockwise. This is anti-clockwise. That is, from this south towards east is 82. That is south 82 degree east. South 82 degree east. This is clockwise, this is clockwise, this is anti-clockwise. It's still the same bearing and distance. So this is equals to this is still equals to this. Are we together? That is under between south and east. If you want to move clockwise, you will get what? 8 degree. If you want to move anti-clockwise, you will get 82 degree to get the same direction. To get the same direction of this 098 degree. You know, we are just trying to move forward and move backward. Still on the same point. This line is still, if you want to get this line, you can draw it in this 3 way. And this is still this is still this. So that is just that regarding the 4 cardinal points. Now we are in my subsequent video. I'm going to make another video where we will start using 2 cardinal points, 2 or more cardinal points. So stay tuned. Click the like button, click the red button for subscription so that you can get our subsequent video that will be uploaded on this topic and other topics. Thanks for watching. I'm still your man, your boy, your friend, Samuel D.